This robot is the best cleaning ally I've ever owned. This is the DreameBot L20 Ultra. Even though this is a sponsored video, out of all the brands that approached me, I handpicked the DreameBot L20 Ultra because it stands out as the best. Very nice. And here's 5 reasons why. Number 1, advanced AI detection. The DreameBot L20 Ultra utilizes light navigation system and a fairly high quality camera at the front. In fact, you can control the robot with your phone and see through the robot with the camera. This allows the robot to navigate the room and identify up to 55 types of items, avoiding all the items. In contrast, consider a more affordable option like this $150 robot vacuum I bought off Amazon.sg. It haphazardly roams around the room, often missing spots because of its random cleaning patterns. The L20 Ultra, however, learns and maps the room, ensuring that the cleaning is done in a systematic, efficient manner. And here's a little antidote for those that are considering the budget option and own pets. Have you ever come home to find your floors smeared in poop? What the because your robot vacuum didn't detect it? Trust me, I've been there. It's not pleasant. The DreameBot L20 Ultra, it intelligently avoids such messy accidents, giving you a peace of mind, not a piece of shit. Number 2, auto-filling and auto-draining. The DreameBot L20 Ultra stands apart, belonging to a rare group of models with this innovative feature. In fact, this feature was one big reason why I took up this sponsorship. Think about it. What is the essence of automatic cleaning if you have to change the water every day or constantly clean your robot? The L20 Ultra resolves that inconvenience. With the WattUp hookup kit, you can hook up the robot directly to a tap at its base station, ensuring fresh water supply. Simultaneously, the used water can be directed straight into the drain, automating the entire process. Now, I must admit, I don't currently have the ideal setup. My office doesn't have a tap, doesn't have a drain, and my rental room don't have that either. But here's a little glimpse to my future. I'm planning to get a house soon, and this feature is a major selling point to me. That's if my girlfriend says yes when I pop the question. Wish me luck. This robot is definitely on my list for my future home's must-have. Speaking of automation, this is something that really blew me away. The base station doesn't just charge the robot vacuum, it also cleans the robot vacuum. Yes, you heard it right. It actively cleans the very robot that's designed to clean your home. This means you spend less time on maintenance. But it gets better. After every cleaning cycle, the base station assesses how dirty the vacuum or mop attachment is. If it's not up to standard, the base station initiates another cleaning round for the robot. It's like having a cleaner for your cleaner. And how clean does the base station cleaner cleans the robot cleaner? Very clean. Next, edge cleaning. Curious about precision? Because of the way it's designed, Julian from the future here, I actually learned something new while editing the video. One big reason why the L20 Ultra is so good at edge cleaning, if you look at this is where you attach the mop. And if you look closely, you can see that the attachment actually can move, extending out to the edge. And that's the reason why it's so good at edge cleaning and also corner cleaning. Back to the video. And its light navigation system. What this robot does is actually goes one round around the room, cleaning all the edge and corners before doing the middle, so it doesn't miss a spot. Look at that. Ooh. Comparing to a more affordable option, you can see it does try to detect the edge, but it's more of guessing work more than anything else. Now I'm going to sprinkle coffee grounds at the edge to see how well the robots deal with the edge and also the corners. And the result does show that the DreameBot L20 Ultra, because of its systematic cleaning, misses less spots. And even though it did miss some spots, because this is an abnormal amount of coffee grounds, what I can do in the app is zone out this area and clean it multiple times. Compare that to the affordable option, it definitely missed a lot more spots and didn't come back to clean again. Lastly, suction power. When we talk about suction power, most cleaning robots go from 2500 PA to 3500 PA. Well, the L20 Ultra goes up to 7000 PA. But numbers are just numbers. You know me, I'm JulianTechTM, and we do real-world testing. For context, the $150 Amazon.sg is 2200 PA, and my personal one is 3000 PA. The most affordable option didn't do very good, even for the loose chalk, it just pushed it around. For my personal robot that I've been using 2 years, although it sucked better, it couldn't even get to the rug unless I moved it. For the DreameBot L20 Ultra, it definitely did the best. I didn't have to direct it anywhere, and comparing all 3 rugs, you can see it is definitely a lot better. The added suction power does help it with rugs. Even for hard floors, the extra suction power can give you a deeper clean or bigger items like cereal or screws. If you really want to clean a rug, I recommend just using a regular vacuum. Okay, bonus feature. Usually you have to remove the mop manually. Ensure more expensive models would lift up the mop so that it doesn't mop your carpets. For the L20 Ultra, the base station can remove the mop attachment.
Mop pads removed.
So this is a fully vacuum mode where the mop pads are in the base station.
Please wait.
Ta-da! And with this function tied together with the app of customized cleaning, you can let the system know where are the rugs and it will avoid it while mopping and vacuum it without the mop attachment. The L20 Ultra has a feature called Clean Genie. This is for people that don't want to mess around with the settings. The only thing you need to decide is whether you want daily mode or Ultra mode for deeper cleaning. Both these options, the base station will intelligently detect and identify if the mop is dirty or the floor is dirty. And if it is dirty, it will rewash the mop and rewash the floors for better cleaning. So here's the thing about the DreameBot L20 Ultra. If you were to ask me before I own my very own robot vacuum, I would think, who the hell would spend $1,600 on a vacuum cleaner? But after owning a affordable vacuum cleaner, I can tell you, this is really a lifesaver. Not needing to always empty the trash or refilling the tank or cleaning the cloth or having to always move things around when you turn on your robot vacuum cleaner. After testing the DreameBot L20 Ultra, I can tell you, I am a believer. And that's about it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I know this is a little bit different from the PC buildings and everything. I believe as I grow older, other tech devices are more important to me. I still love playing games, but having tech to help me with mundane things like cleaning really does make my life easier and more time to play games. Once again, thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about the DreameBot or anything in general, feel free to comment it in the comment section below. I hope this has been insightful and I am done.